Beautiful color.
I see it, don't touch.
That's the wing right there. Yep, come on.
There's a leaf climbing the tree.
A leaf climbing the tree?
There's a leaf climbing the tree over here.
Oh, that's not a leaf.
What is it?
It's a moth.
Ah!
It's a type of moth.
I'm surrounded by bugs. I'm gonna overload. I'm trying not to. Stay close. This is a really bad time for me to be a chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how fascinating this is?
Mm-hmm.
Don't go near it. Stay away from it. Don't get near it. Look, my bug phobia is still in effect, okay?
I'm just putting a light on it from a different direction.
God damn, that's a big ant. Holy Christ! Good thing I didn't look down with my lamp. He would have been dark.
It's a busy place out here at night.
Yeah, no. Duh. I almost said a bad word. Sorry.